Okay, this is our first ever potato reveal. I don't know what to expect, so I don't know what's going to be in here or not. I know there's one in there at least, but our first ever potato reveal after three attempts of me trying and not getting it right. Oh, you know what? You have those clippers, those clipper things there? Keep going. So I can clip these. And when they start dying down, that's when it's time. Now they haven't died down to where they're brown, but when I stuck my finger down here earlier today, I ran my finger on a potato, and so I decided it's time to see what we got. While I'm waiting on my wife, 'cause they're right there, right there, right there. See it? Okay. All right. Like I said, we may have one, may have two, I don't know. We only have one. Sometimes keep the big going in here. Let's go flip it over. Oh, see that? You guys see something already. Let's start up here. See if anything down here. Hmm? Here we go. Make sure you get down there, man. You wanna go there? Put your space there, man.
No, you got the stones.
Yeah, just reach down and do. Got something over there. There we go. Got something here. Hey, a lot of people have small ones. Well, hey, is that first ever? At least we produced something here. Okay. And a lot of people get these little small ones too. Every one of them. Small one. There's one. Yeah, it's good to use them. There's a little baby one there. Next one. Yeah, that's good. See what else we got here. Hmm? Oh, there goes another one. So we got two more buckets. There we go. I guess that's it. That's probably one that's rotted, or it might be one of the original ones. All right, that's it. First ever. You get to zoom in on those. First ever potato harvest. Isn't not big, but hey, we got some potatoes. After the third try, at least I got some produced. And we got, what, 2 more buckets, but those are about a couple of months away. All right, stop it.